So, a while ago, somebody asked me, what's in a keyboard or how does it work? Well, there's lots of different kinds of keyboards. I prefer the mechanical. This obviously is not. It's too thin and this is a terrible one. The keys are in the wrong spot. Unlike a normal keyboard with a layout like this. It's also too short. So I thought we'd open it up and see what's in it. This one's by Lenovo, which usually makes decent products, but these are just cheap. Utter rubbish is what we call them. See, it's got drain holes in case you spill your coffee or other beverage. Oh, I should do this. Okay, there's all the plastic keys on its little... Oh, this is one of these rubber dome ones. A little bit better than the little flat membrane. But essentially, it's this little tiny sheet of rubber that makes contact with the little dots on the circuit board. This is why this is doesn't last. Gets dirty. Here's the little layout. Oh, let's just screw it on too. There you go. You have the key layout on a little metal backing. So this isn't quite as poorly made as some of them. And the little connection circuit. Well, not even that. This is just a connector. Yeah, that's really all there is to it. I prefer the ones with mechanical switches like these. Ooh, yes, and this one lights up, but whatever.